In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders to share with your team in Canva. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply wanting to organize your designs efficiently, this process will be incredibly helpful. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the option labeled Projects. Click on it. This section is where you can manage all your ongoing and completed work, making it an ideal place to start organizing. Now, within the project section, look for a button that says Add New. Clicking this will give you multiple options of things to create or organize, and in this case we're going to select Folder. This feature allows you to categorize your designs however you see fit, whether by project, client, or any system that works best for you. Next, a dialog box will appear prompting you to name your new folder. Here, it's essential to choose a name that makes sense not only for you but also for anyone you plan to share this folder with later. This ensures that your team members can easily understand the folder's content or purpose without any confusion. After you've named your folder, go ahead and click Continue. This will finalize the creation of your folder, and you'll be automatically directed to an empty space where you can start adding your designs. To get some designs into your newly created folder, click on the folder to open it. Look for an option that says Add Designs. Clicking this will allow you to select from various designs you've already created in Canva. Then click on Your Projects, which will display a list of all your current designs. Here you need to select the design, or designs if there are multiple, that you wish to move into this new folder. Simply click on each item you want to include. Once you've made your selections, find the Move button and click it. This will transfer your chosen designs into the folder, consolidating them into one location. Now that your folder is populated, it's time to share it with your team. For this, locate the Share button within the folder. Clicking it will open a Share menu where you can type in the email address of the person you want to give access to. Be sure to use the correct emails to ensure that invitations are sent to the right people. Finally, hit Share Folder. This action will send out the invitations, allowing your team members to view, edit, or collaborate on the designs within that folder, depending on the permissions you've set. And there you have it. You've just created a shareable folder in Canva. This organized approach not only simplifies your workflow, but also enhances collaboration with your team, making sure everyone stays on the same page and up to date. Enjoy organizing and happy designing.